Manufacturing is a tough industry, especially in these economic times. The balancing act between cost, production numbers, staff, and equipment can be a very difficult one. It's more important than ever that a production line runs efficiently and that a high level of control be implemented in order to minimize waste and to create consistent quality products. We are Innovative Equipment Design, or IED, and it's our job to facilitate that efficiency within your manufacturing operation by way of automation. Alright, so that's a lot of words. Allow us to break all of that down into our main pillars of operation. Number 1, consult. Number 2, connect. And number 3, control. Much simpler. By breaking these down, hopefully you'll see that regardless of your operation, the services of IED can be extremely beneficial for your business. Consult. The first pillar of our company speaks of our commitment to custom-built solutions. The word consult refers to an appointment where either our company's owner, Justin Algier, or one of our other highly trained consulting experts will arrive on site and discuss the possibilities for your business. By seeing the equipment in use and discussing your goals firsthand, we're able to go over options and create a custom solution for you. So what kind of options are possible exactly? That's where our second pillar of operation comes in. Connect. The second pillar of our business is the section when we start integrating your existing equipment to run at an optimal level, increasing efficiency and output. The simplest term to put this section in is the following example. Imagine that your production line is run like a restaurant, with staff members such as servers, cooks, dishwashers, etc. This is very similar to the equipment on your production line, as they have specific roles in a production environment. But now imagine if that restaurant full of workers all speak completely different languages. In order for the servers, for instance, to communicate with the cooks, they would have to use very rudimentary language in trying to get their exact point across. Would the food, or end product in your case, come out of the kitchen correctly? Would the service be handled well? Of course not. No one is speaking the same language. The various pieces of equipment within your production line operate the same way. Without unifying their languages to allow them to efficiently communicate with one another, they will not be operating to produce product at full quality, efficiency, or speed in many cases. We at IED will ensure that your equipment is able to communicate as articulately as the job calls for, allowing for advanced tasks and much better quality control. They'll all be speaking the same language. This step also paves the way for the most important and customizable pillar of our business: control. Finally, the control pillar of IED is the most customizable based on your needs. It's also incredibly powerful, flexible, and simple to use. IED creates control boxes from scratch, all of which are UL certified, to suit your production needs and control the entire line of production equipment from one easy-to-use control mechanism. Beyond that, we are always looking to integrate bleeding-edge technology to make your production systems even more powerful. Technologies such as touchscreen controls, high-speed cameras, and robotics, to name a few, have all been integrated into our setups in the past. Control is everything in production, and with our custom-built hardware, you can be in total control as your manufacturing line works in perfect harmony. That's our ultimate goal, and we have the happy client base to prove that we are very successful at attaining it. Our previous work has found us building boards to control a vast range of production lines, doubling the output in some cases. Talk about changing a bottom line almost overnight. And it's not just output numbers. Our recent work took feed pellets from looking like this to this. After all, what good is production output numbers without the quality to back it up? It all comes down to the communication of the equipment and the control to get the results you need. We serve as the brains in that operation, the central hub that optimizes your production workflow and gives you the quality you demand. Let IED help you and your production. Contact us to set up an appointment and discuss the possibilities. Trust the experts. Trust IED. Innovative Equipment Design, LLC. Consult, connect, control.